Hello friends, how you doing out there? I hope you are doing great. It's me again, Rafi Yakub from Excel Graphics and Multimedia. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create this particular table calendar you see on my screen using Adobe Illustrator CC. So let's get the tutorial started. First thing you have to do as far as this tutorial is concerned is to create a new document. What you have to do is to come to this place on your Adobe Illustrator and create a new artboard. And come to this place and create a new artboard. Alright. The next step to take is to draw a rectangle of a particular artboard size. This particular artboard size. Alright. So the next step we are going to take is to draw another rectangle. Go back to your rectangle tools. So in this case now you can change the color to something else and draw another rectangle. Something like this. Alright. So you can change this color to whatever color again. Right. So the next thing you are going to do now is to go to your direction shape tools. Then click on this place. And click on this place also. Then click on this place. Then come to this top here and drag. Ctrl Z. Go to your selection tools. Click on this place. Click on this place. And click on this place. Now, from this point, drag it down. Alright, so you can as well increase the size. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now as far as this tutorial is concerned is to import the stock photo. All you have to do is to go to File, click on Place, then you look for where you save your image. Right, I'm using this particular image, then click on Place. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do now is to power clip this particular image inside the shape. Right, click on it, look for Arrange, then Send to Back. Let's click on this particular shape image, then bring to forward. Alright, so this particular one now, you can now power clip it inside this particular shape. Then press Shift key and click on the shape. Having done that, then right click on it and choose Make Power Clip. So now, having power clip your stock photo in the shape, you can as well adjust the size of the shape. You can edit your content here. So when you click on that icon, then you can adjust the shape of your stock photo. Then once you are done, then click on OK. Then you click on this icon. Alright. So the next step we are going to take now is to import another stock photo for this background. Alright, go back to File, click on Place. So having done that, then you look for I'm using this particular background, then click on Place. Alright. So this one now you right click on it, then look for Arrange, and then you send to back just like this. So you can as well increase, adjust the size of the stock photo, then press shift key and click on the rectangle shape. Then having done that, right click on it and click on make power clip. All right, so you are going to get something like this. All right, so the next step we are going to take now is to want to resize this one. I want to resize this one, shift key and hotkey and dragging. Alright, so I'm good with the size. So the next step to take is to draw another rectangle. Go back to your rectangle tools, then you drag and draw another rectangle at this joint. Alright, so you color this one with your yellow color. Color eyedropper tools, click on this color. Alright, so the next thing is to curve the shape to Z. You come to your direction selection tools, then to Z. Then you click on this joint and drag it. And get to something like this. Then come to this place also, click on this joint and drag in also. Good. So we have our shape sketch perfect. All right. So the next step we are going to take now is to get this particular red curve. Right. So we go to your pen tools. You use your pen tools to get this particular shape. All right, so now we change the color back to red. My eye color dropper tools, then click on this shape. Now you get the curve. So press Ctrl C on your keyboard, press Ctrl B to place in place. All right, so the next thing we are going to do now is to right click on the duplicate, go to transform, then select transform each. All right, so you are going to get something like this. Okay, make sure that you check on the y-axis, then your angle can be 90 degrees, right? Then once you are done, then you click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to rotate this to this particular joint. Next, now you now move it to this place. Right, so we have it perfect like this. So the next step we are going to take now is to get our calendar format. All you have to do is to draw another rectangle. Go to your rectangle tools and draw another rectangle. All right, so we can expand it. All right, so we can change the color back to white or white. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to divide this particular rectangle. How am I going to do it? All you have to do is go to Object, then look for Parts, then look for Split into Grid. Now, as you can see on my previous design, my column is 7. I have 7 columns and I have about 6 rows, right? So you format it at this place. Click on your preview to see how far you are done. So your column should be 7 columns, right? Increase it to 7. Then your row should be 6. All right, 6. So the next thing to do now is to increase the height. reduce the height, and then reduce the weight. All right, once you are satisfied with the setting, then all you have to do is to click on this OK. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is to color the shape. So click on this first joint, press Shift key on your keyboard, and click on the second one, Shift key, and click on the all shape. All right, having done that, then you now pick your color and use whatever color of your choice. But in this tutorial, I'm using color yellow, as you can see on my screen. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to color the other color. All right, my eye color dropper tools. So I'm using this color, using this yellow. Right, so now, so far so good, I'm done with my shape. So the next step to take is to type in all my text. So starting from the date and the month. So as you can see on my screen here, I have it already typed. You need to just go, all you have to do is to go to text tools, then you type whatever thing you want to type. 2019. Press Ctrl A to highlight it. Then you come to this place to change the font style. So in this tutorial, I use shortcut to tick, right? Then you increase the font size to whatsoever you like. Then you change the color back to white. Come to this place and change the color to white. Then you give it outline color. I use red for the outline. And as well, you can increase the font size also. I think I use 48. All right. Then you go back to your pick tools. You have it something like this. 60. Right. So you now pick it, display. So all you have to do is to just make sure you know how you can use your text tools perfectly to type in Adobe Illustrator. It's a very simple thing. Just follow the procedure, right? You will be fine and good to go. Right click, arrange, bring to forward, Z. All right, so this is how you use text tools and whatsoever. And the same thing will apply to how you can type your calendar in Adobe Illustrator, and also how you can get the whole thing done once and for all. So I hope you learn one or two things in this tutorial. So if you like my tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and also whenever you watch my video, please try to drop a comment and let me know how you feel about the content I'm bringing to you live on YouTube. So thank you for watching. See you. Bye.